guys, this is what Dee said when just starting our video. Hey guys, so I'm gonna say what that Holy Fire say. What's up family? You know it's a man Holy Fire 777. And today we are at Turtle Farm, Grand Cayman. And that's in West Bay. Yeah, so there's Turtle Farm in the background. And there's Dee Moonga and Jamaicanist girl. They're in the background walking away from me. Yeah, and this is a man Holy Fire 777. So if it's your first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One Fire, Holy Fire, love what you do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. That is it. Yeah, so I came here one time, but actually I didn't go far because I was busy the day I had to work. Because I wasn't working today, but then when I came here, then I had to start working, so I just go back and go to work. So today I'm here, as I say, with Dee Moonga. Yeah, that's Dee in the background there. And this is Jamaicanist girl. Yeah, it's Jamaicanist girl. So go follow her channel on YouTube and on Instagram.
Thank you guys, and remember to subscribe to his channel, guys.
Right, so we're out
Let's
here.
get to 10,000 by the month.
Right.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, I almost dropped the phone. Can you believe that? So this is the entrance. Right behind me, at Turtle Center. Cayman Turtle Center. Yeah. And it's, I just say it is very beautiful here. It's very beautiful. Check out the background. Very beautiful. Yeah. The Dee Moonga is on her phone. So we're waiting for her. We're not leaving her alone. Yeah. So, okay. And this is my shade. This is my new shades that I get from Jamaicanist girl. Yeah. Yeah, this is a gift from her. Jamaicanist girl. How you liking my shades? Comment how you like my shades. Yeah. I like them. Look real nice. Tell me how it is. Tell me if you like it. Yes. So we're here, as I said, and we are about to enter. Here is the entrance. Yep. So it's look like a very nice place. So we're gonna check out inside and see what's happening. So stick and stay and don't go nowhere. Come and say, don't go nowhere. That is it. So yes, peeps, and I really appreciate you guys. As I say, I cannot emphasize anymore how I appreciate you all checking my channel out. Yep, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate you for liking the video, for watching. I appreciate you. I really appreciate you. Wow.
Biggest I've ever seen.
No swimming in the turtles?
No.
But I normally see people swimming.
So strictly employees above. Not here. Further on you can swim, but not here.
And there are turtles.
Yeah.
Let's go then and swim there.
With the turtles?
Of course.
No, not
No, take me to swim. You don't know how to swim. We can stay outside. Really?
I can swim.
You cannot.
No.
Okay, let's go swim.
Okay.
Really, it's more fun. Even back home in Tanzania,
Yeah.
people go swim with them and take videos.
Oh, okay. I guess you don't allow that here. No.
You cannot swim with the turtles here? Don't need to have
They are protected.
Yeah.
Or you can put the music over it. Or voice it over. Wow. Peeps, so today I'm going snorkeling. I'm not allowing Dee to have all the fun today. So she said, oh, you can't swim, and she can tell everybody. Yeah, but today I'm not allowing her to have all the fun.
My phone said warning. Did you see what it's warning me? It's hot.
Yes, so I'm gonna change to an life vest and get in there. Yeah, so there's a changing room. This room, shower room. So let's go and change and come back and watch me snorkel. My first time for snorkel, but I snorkel. I just see them other people do it.
Yeah.
Never do it yet. Yeah, so I'm trying. So stick and stay, peeps. Don't go nowhere.
I'm going according to the size, okay?
Yeah. So this is mine.
Alright, so the vessel it come with 2 straps.
Yeah.
This is the main strap here. This one go all the way to Australia. Down under.
Down under.
Like what? On the hair?
Yeah, down the center, the back, up between the legs.
Between the legs, Okay.
Then you pull it tight. Maybe, go ahead, put it
Put my phone inside a little bit. It's hot. It's overheating.
Yeah, you put it in the water and you cool down.
okay, you want to, there's a little shade in the back. You want to come to the back, don't you?
Yeah.
Let's come to the back if it's too hot. Okay, put that one around the wrist now.
Oh, okay.
Push it down, you gotta push it up down. Use your mouth to push it down.
Like this?
Yeah, use your mouth, put it in your mouth and push it down and go into it.
Oh, that's it now.
That's it.
And then you blow. Push it down and blow. So you push down and blow into it.
You can't get it, but the ear is trapped inside here. She got a vest.
Yeah,
she
I
can
have one
wear it.
for her.
You familiar with those vests, right? Yeah. The main strap here, this one go all the way to Australia, down under.
Right.
Alright, and this there. Alright.
That's a fat day. I'm fatter than you.
Yeah, that's it.
You need more here.
Have you guys snorkeled before?
Yeah.
Thank you. First time?
Maybe I could, you don't have to give me
Mask.
No, you need it.
You need it.
Nice.
It's nice.
How will I? How will you see the fish? You cannot see them with naked eyes.
D, I'm fatter than you.
We have,
Okay, I'll just take it just for
Do you want to go with daddy or come with mommy?
yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the complimentary mask and snorkeling, these, right?
Yeah.
Complimentary manner. Okay.
And then we have the full face upgrade. This one is much easier. This is why you don't have to hold your breath. But this one you gotta control the breathing to your nostril.
Yeah.
You understand? So this one now is like a like a space shuttle thing. You just breathe regular breath. You don't have to hold a breath, you know? But this is gonna cost like $4 to
Okay.
For US dollars.
to upgrade. This much easier for snorkeling than the old time.
Okay.
Let us have that. Let us have that one.
So you have to pay for you.
Yes, this is $4.
No problem.
$4.
I'll pay for it.
Alright. Okay, why you guys just come around here?
Yeah.
Oh, your locks look so good.
Yes, peeps. So you're getting this one. Yeah.
I'll give you the guys special. So hold this.
No.
Oh, you're gonna take your glasses off.
Yeah. Can't have on your gloves.
So guys,
Yeah, you can breathe.
I'm like a ninja.
Now you look so funny. You make me laugh. But I wonder if that's the correct one.
Yeah, yeah.
Because of the nose here.
And I can breathe freely. You can't hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, look at me now.
This is the first time I will be doing snorkeling. I'm so
I'm like one of those guys in a movie. The movie name? Like Sub-Zero.
Alright, so you do your thing and then.
Is it the correct way? The way he has put it on?
Yes, you have to put your chin in it. You put your chin in it.
Yeah.
Chin first. Then you pull over.
Yeah. Okay. So these are the new ninjas of Cayman Islands.
Again, I'm used to the other ones. I feel this is too much.
This is too much?
Sir.
This is too much?
Don't hold your breath and keep breathing. Don't hold your breath.
I don't know, I love them.
This is nice, D. Get used to it. Don't be scared, D. You're scared?
I'm not scared. I'm saying I'm used to the other one.
Okay. But this you would breathe better in this and in the water. You don't have to breathe out of your mouth. Yeah. This is nice, D. All professionals use this once. You're not a professional? I get to laugh at D now. D don't like that one. Look at my peeps. I'm so fat.
Alright, guys, I don't know if you can hear me. I don't know really, but my basket already and safety belt is not on.
Yes.
Which is good. And also
Your
I have
phone?
a mask
Your phone ringing?
on.
Yes, D sound like chipmunks.
Okay, guys, let's go.
Let's go.
So this is for my picture.
How should I dip it in this? Let me ask him. Let's go. What is my piece? Let me put one line.
I'll soon call you back, okay?
Chin first.
Alright. Everything okay?
And then put it over it.
Oh. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, I'm supposed to see me. You have one supposed to see me. Your slippers. Thank you. I don't know if I can breathe in this or if I really like it for that. I'm not breathing properly. I don't know. But let's see how it goes. Oh, the sun is hot. Oh my God.
This side, like I said, is most of the shutters are over there. That side, the right side, is 8 to 9 feet, taking all the way to the aquarium glass.
Oh, okay.
That's where you can see inside the predator reef.
In the what?
The predator reef. There's a predator reef where you have the shark.
You have shark?
So they're behind the glass in the
Okay.
water when you go down there.
Okay, cool.
Alright? If you notice beside the lifeguards, then we have some emergency ladders. You can use them to exit if you decide not to go further.
Oh,
You
okay.
get tired and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
On the islands, we also got staircases. You can use them.
Yeah.
Take breaks, but you're not allowed to climb up onto the island.
Oh,
The stairs are just there to give you time to rest.
yeah, yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Alright, so take advantage of the shallow, which is here where the lifeguard is. When you get down there, you're going to see the 12-foot drop. So you just swim across, it gets shallow again, and it goes continue going left.
Okay,
Until you get to the bridge now, you get deep.
okay.
Alright? What you gotta do is just breathe. Don't hold your breath at any time.
Okay, cool.
Good?
Yep.
Alright, so.
Let's go. Are you ready?
Wow, having something like a strap like
Are you ready?
yeah? Like a strap I could tie around here.
Um,
Like a shoelace, anything.
I doubt it.
Because if I tie it around
I was wondering if you could wall between.
no,
No, between here.
it's
not tight enough? Yeah, okay. Like mine could hold there. I could do it like this. Like this. See? Mine can always go like this. I could do it like this. And still swim. And then put it up.
So the water won't come inside.
Huh?
The water won't go.
No, the water won't go inside.
So,
But the sooner. Huh?
that's how I did.
You should have put it around your neck.
And then,
Yes. Yep. Now you're good to go.
And what else?
Hmm?
Hold it out.
Yeah, anyhow you want to hold it now. Yeah. Girl, jumping in. Keep going.
Yeah, this is safe because of this.
Yeah, it is safe.
No.
Keep going. We're teaching her to swim.
So let me test it out now. Do you want to record me swimming now? Just relax. Take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale.
Let me record this for my YouTube video. Let's go! Jamaica, let's go!
Yeah!
Let's go! Nothing can happen. In this, nothing can happen. Truly. Only safe. Nothing can happen. Just relax. Let's just relax. That is it. Yeah, you can record yourself.
It's so beautiful under the water. Whoa. Yeah. Let it flow. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Safe. So D gone all the way past 12 feet, gone way out. But I stop at waist height. I stop at waist height. I don't see why I should go that far. I'm like 5 feet 6 inches, and you have 12 feet out there. I'm not a strong swimmer. When you go out there, next thing I get panic, even though there's lifeguard around. But you know, lifeguard around. But you know, I'm not into that, guys. As Bob Marley say, I jump in the water if I can't swim. So I can stand. As long as I can stand, yeah, I'm good with that. Yeah. So if I can balance myself. But otherwise, I'm not going to go that far. No, not for love nor money. I don't care how much money you want to give me. Yeah, until I'm that good and that much of a strong swimmer. Otherwise, I'm not going to do it. I ain't going to do it. So you went to the aquarium, sir? You went to the aquarium? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So it's too deep?
I started filling up with water in my mouth.
Oh,
So I had to stop and come back.
right. Yeah, that's
But it's
Smurf
not
smart.
too deep. There's turtles all over here. Turtles. I see turtles over there, and you can walk.
Oh,
Yeah,
turtle on this side?
yeah. And I seen 2 of them
Oh,
over
okay.
here.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
I'm gonna see them.
Yeah, and the water is only like this deep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, there's a lot of fish in this water also. Let's check them out.
So if you put this on, then you can see them.
So D is going and she says I'm not a man because I'm not coming all the way out in the 12 feet. So I'm telling her that she's not a normal woman because in the village D used to strangle lion. Because she's small, so she used to strangle lion. Yes, and tigers. She used to kill lions and tigers. So she's not a normal woman. So she's very brave. She is from the Maasai tribe. Yeah, watch D go. Is that school of fish here?
No.
Yeah?
Where?
They just pass.
You know, congratulations to her. She has won her medal,
Yeah.
a gold medal,
Yeah.
you know. So I'm not going that distance. Congratulations, Dee. Hey.
Hey, if you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
Yeah.
You know how the thing goes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not doing that.
No. And I'm not
Guys,
scared.
I'm not, you know,
Yeah.
gonna take that, you know, risk.
Yeah.
Dee is a very good swimmer. You know, so I know I have to take some swimming lessons.
Me too. I don't get it.
Yeah, I have to take some swimming lessons,
Because I
guys.
cannot be on the
And I know
island.
I'm gonna come up on
Yeah.
top.
I cannot be on the island and can't swim.
I can't swim, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do some swimming lessons.
Yeah, and I can bet all Timanians they can swim.
Yeah, I'm trying to them
Yeah,
can
they
swim
can
too.
swim, I can tell you that.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's their thing. They can swim. You know, I never, you know, thought of even doing it.
Yeah.
But yeah, my husband can swim, but yeah, me, no. I sorry I can't go where the aquarium.
Yeah, I'm not gonna get a view of the aquarium, but that's okay with me. That's okay. I hear that it's very beautiful, but that's
Yeah, I heard
okay.
that it's very beautiful, but
Yeah.
you know, I prefer to live
Cause I
longer,
hear that
you know.
there's sharks in the
Yeah.
aquarium
Even though I have
and it's
on
underneath the
vest,
water. Yeah.
yeah,
But even though I have on a vest too,
I
but
still
mm-mm.
need
I'm not going
to
out
know
there.
how to swim before,
Yeah.
you know.
I mean, it is not a smart thing to go deep in water if you can't swim well.
But it's beautiful.
It is just not smart. That cannot be smart. A smart thing for you.
Would recommend.
Mm.
Would recommend.
You cannot anyone force you or anyone I mean coach you into swimming, going far enough into water when you know you cannot swim. That is just not smart. You're gonna be like, oh, lifeguards are here, so you can go. Yeah, lifeguards are here. See, lifeguard gone on lunch. Yeah, well, yeah, them over there. So yeah, by the time I said help, and then jump off, you know, next what? I don't have 2 life, I have 1. So if this is only the thing that doesn't make me a man, then yeah, but I'm still a man. That is not.
Don't feed the birds.
Yeah, this is not what makes me a man. I am a man. I was born a man. Cause I was born a man.
There's a turtle over there. Hey turtle. Hey turtle.
So yes peeps, so next time we're going to the dolphin to swim with the dolphins. Yeah, so we had a bit of fun there, so we are gonna get something to eat now. It's almost it's after 3 now, not almost after 3 now. So we had a bit of fun. Yeah, it was nice. Yes peeps. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. That is it. Huh? Go 5. Alright, that's it now. Cool. Yes, today is the weekend and we are at Wrong Point Beach. Yep, so we're out here. The time is cool, they have chairs and stuff like that. Yes, and it's another day on the islands, and I'm giving thanks for that. Yep, another side is very nice here. Yeah, so look at that, people out there having fun. You have D-Mongo over there, Jamaicanist girl all the way over there, and Devon right here. Yeah. Yeah.
Hold the fire.
Alright. That is it. So we're out here. Full joy, yeah. So and his wife, his wife channel is Jamaicanist Girl TV. Yeah, she's a very nice lady. Yeah, great personality. Yeah, so we're out here, peeps. This is how it looks. Yep. It is just awesome. Real awesome. Take off them here. I'm walking at them. So let me walk you onto the dock. Let me walk you onto the dock. Yes, so you might say why I hold the camera so close to my face, but it's just how I do it, because you will know I might get someone facing it, and then I might get an email from YouTube saying that I should delete it or do some crap. So I try to hold the camera, and don't hold it on anyone. Yeah, so look at the water. It is beautiful here in the Caribbean. It's a beautiful day. Look at that. Just beautiful. Whoa. So today we are out here to have some fun, and later we go into a show. Yeah, to a big show. Some African stars there, and one of Bob Marley's son, and a couple more people that you know, but stick and stay for that one. You're gonna see it's gonna be awesome. Real awesome. Yes, people, so it's the first time. If it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yes, peeps, that is it. Yeah, so this is it. Look at it. This is the Caribbean. There's no place like the Caribbean. I can't emphasize on it no more. Oh, beautiful it is here in the Caribbean. No place, beautiful beaches, beautiful scenery. Yeah, some sea bike out there, so I haven't ridden one of them in the longest while. I wanna ask how much I do it today so I can get a ride on it. Yeah. But it's very nice, peeps. It's very nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. Yeah. And so the dock is long. Out here, it's very long. Just long and beautiful. This is the Caribbean. Welcome to the Caribbean. Cayman Island. And peeps, no for wanna cuss me when me talk. Say I talk bad about Jamaica, but I'm not talking bad about Jamaica. I'm just saying Jamaica, and when I say we have the worst government in Jamaica, you know, for some believe politics, but it have nothing to do with politics. It's about my country, and I love my country, because Jamaica is the best country in the world with the worst government, whether PNP or JLP. That's what I mean. So don't think that I'm talking about just about the present government. I'm talking about both of them. None of them is better than each other. So I'm saying, with all of the resources that we have in Jamaica and all of that, and I mean, our country could be far more better. It could be better, you know. When I look at Cayman Islands, you can say, oh, don't compare Cayman and Jamaica. Jamaica makes a lot of money, so don't believe that Jamaica don't make money. Jamaica make money. Jamaica government make money. Cayman Island, for example, Cayman Island, when you import something to Cayman Island, you only pay 22%, yeah, on it, duty. In Jamaica, you pay 80% or more, something like that. Think about that. Just think about it. So, I mean, there's a lot of money making in Jamaica, but you're not spending wisely. Yeah. So I talk about it all the time because I am a Jamaican and I should be living in my country like this. Yeah. Country should be nice like this. Could be. It is, but you know, yeah. But anyway, I'm just here, full join. But sometimes it just hurt when you hear me talk about it. It's not like I like politics or anything. I hate politics. Yeah. I'm glad that I'm one of those that don't depend on politicians. Politicians never do nothing. I'm glad. Thank God. Yes. Yeah, we look at the water. There are some fish in the water like what is that? Some fish looking like what do you call them fish there? Don't tell me what kind of fish is this. I'm gonna stick it in the water and tell me what kind of fish. Hope you saw those fishes. Yeah. I hope you saw the fishes. And the breeze is blowing very hard. Yeah, let me turn my back to it here. The breeze is blowing. The wind is blowing. It is very windy here. It is very windy. But getting one of them things that the GoPro wouldn't work for me because I love to stick it in the water. I love to stick it in the water. Because even when my camera is hot, because this is a GoPro 12, so when it gets hot, I'm at the beach, I just stick it in the water, I don't care. And nothing will do it. Yeah. The GoPro 3 advertising for you guys. So as I say, the Moanga and Jamaicanist girl is in front of me, going back across. Yeah. But it's very nice out here. Very nice. It's very nice. This is the Caribbean, folks. This is Caribbean life. It is awesome. Just awesome. Woo. Yeah, this is Caribbean life. Nothing like living in the Caribbean. See yes peeps, this is the Caribbean life. Yeah, all this, you just come here and all you do, if you want food and refreshment, then you purchase that. You don't pay to come on the beach. And look on the beach, look, now look at this. Look on the beach. All of this, you just come and if you want, you just purchase food and refreshment. Think about that. How wonderful is that? No place like the Caribbean. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Caribbean people, I tell you about the Caribbean. I tell you that if I go to America or Canada or England, I just want to visit, not stay, just visit. The Caribbean is the best place to be on earth. It's like we got sun here 365 days per year. It's summer. What is more beautiful? Look at that. Look at that. Huh? You don't have to put on no gloves, no cloak, no winter cloak. And I guess some of us don't even know how fortunate we are to have all of this. Thank God I understand and appreciate it. Now I say some of we not even know how fortunate we is. We have to put on no gloves nor no cloak. Your finger freeze.
Yeah, there's some different country.
Yeah. 365 days per year we have sun. Summer. Yeah. With nice girls on the beach.
First time I'm going to the States.
Yeah.
When I really, yo, it's crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Cool and it's something easy to deal with.
Yeah. Definitely.
So I'd rather put this in the van, in the vehicle.
Are they close? Very close, but not trouble it. Blow hard though. So stick and stay for.
You gonna snorkel?
So now we are getting in the water now. Yeah. So I was here, Dee was here, and Jamaican this girl taking pictures and videos and stuff. So just to go in the water now, just to go full dry the water. Yeah. So Dee, Dee, where's your snorkel? Where is your stuff?
Yes, forward. Walk with it in case. Just in case.
Yeah, so peeps, we are getting out here, so let me feel the water. Let's feel the water, let's feel the water, let's feel the water. Ooh, this water is nice. This water is nice. This water is nice. Yeah. This water is nice, peeps. And you can go far out in the water. Look how far I'm in from the beach. I'm far from the beach and the water is still. It still don't reach at my knee as yet. See? The water is very shallow out here. It's very shallow out here. Wow. Let's check that out. Woo. I'm like all the way out here. Yes, peeps. And Dee is preparing to laugh at me, telling people that I can't swim. Yeah, I tell her that I'm never scared, I'm just cautious. Cautious is different from being scared. In the comment section and tell me if it's cautious the same thing as being scared. No, it is not. Yep. So let's take a dip. Yeah. So Dee is coming, see? Dee is short and I know the water in the catch are wasted. Yeah. So Dee is behaving like a...
So clean, really, so clean.
I'm not gonna say she's behaving like a fish, but she's behaving like a shark. I'm not gonna say you're behaving like a fish, but like a shark.
No, why not a fish? Because fish
No,
is not good.
no, fish is not a fish. Behaving like a shark.
It looks like a snake. Step on it, let's see. Oh.
Where is it?
Step on it.
It's not a snake.
Here, step on it then.
Look, put on your...
Step on it.
Step on what?
Too scared.
The water looking like a snake and telling me
No,
to
this
step on it.
black thing here.
No, it's nothing in the water, just an object.
Okay, this here, but
Yeah.
I've never seen a man too scared like
No,
you.
you always
Not
think that
even
I'm
a leaf.
scared. You don't think
Not
I'm
even a leaf.
No, she always
It's
thinks
like,
I'm
no,
scared.
no,
I'm
no.
not scared.
Not scared.
No,
No,
what?
No, he's
I ain't
not
never scared.
He's not feeling too well.
What's it?
Yeah.
No,
So
sir.
don't force him to
Scared
do
man, I've
things
never
that
seen
he
him.
don't
No, I'm never scared.
And he's a Jamaican. No, sir. No, sir.
You know, Jamaica not scared, so I say we're not afraid of
Jamaicans are
nothing.
known to be
No, we're not.
people, you know, the
Yeah.
go.
Yes.
Real bad man and real bad.
Yeah. So I ain't never scared.
That is it.
Yeah.
I'm brave today, guys. I'm brave.
You say brave today, have your husband.
1 minute.
Yes, I'm
No, when somebody has the husband, they're brave.
When you have the husband, you're brave.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
No, you need to go back because I'm trying to watch you. I want to swim.
I am
Ready?
Yeah.
Wow.
So do you want to show off our skills? Yeah, no?
Wow, unless I go there. Oh, I wonder if she'll sing something there so that I can go there.
Can you borrow? Hello, guys.
No.
Can we borrow? Yeah. Okay.
Public.
It's public. You don't have to borrow.
I wonder if there's anything there.
Nope.
Can you see anything? Fish, stingrays.
Stingrays.
Wow.
Wow. Awesome.
Shark down there.
Shark?
Yeah, but not like a nice shark.
It's a nice shark.
Yeah, like
He's very nice.
yeah, like
He spoke to you?
yeah.
What did he say?
Can you stand there? No, it's so shallow.
Yeah, shallow.
Okay.
But I don't like these mushy
You still
things.
recording? Yeah, but
Yep.
the grass I don't like.
Yeah, me myself. So. Anything can be in there, you step on it.
Yeah.
So the guy say,
Okay, let's go.
he say he see a shark. Ah, what was that?
Oh my god, Matt, they rolled up literally.
He say he see a shark and the shark spoke to him.
They were fat.
There's big fish. Really big fish. Big one, not even small. Half of me. Just
You sure it's a fish? You sure it's a fish?
Yeah.
It's a shark?
Yeah.
It's a shark or a fish?
Big.
Huh?
Wow, let me go with my. I wish I had a GoPro. Are you going to swim in this too?
Me?
Let's go there.
You are seeing it, I'm not seeing it. I ain't going there.
It's so big. Wow. I feel like I just wanna go there, really.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That guy was standing right there, right?
Yeah.
I just need the phone,
Mm-hmm.
put it on the neck.
Mm-hmm.
Why is this thing not fitting it in the wrong direction?
I can't believe they say there's big fish out there under the
A
water.
big one, big
But
fish.
then I can't open my eyes and the water. See, let me see.
What is that shark? I don't just the water flowing out in that shark. That's shark.
It's still recording.
Oh, still recording?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
So these say there is big fish out there. Real big fish. But I don't have any goggles, so I did forget to bring my own. So I'm not
What I
gonna
hate
see.
more is the ground. I don't like stepping on the ground.
Me not like it neither, because it seems like you can step on anything.
You've seen it?
No.
Yeah, it's really
These see the big fish over there. So big fish bigger than her. Not a fish worse than a shark.
not like big like me, but big, really big.
Yeah?
Big like this.
No, it's not. Blast I just said. It is trapped right there. It's not there anywhere. Don't give a- Yes, you're safer there than here right now. I'm telling you.
It's not moving. No, it's not moving. Why are you moving?
This was on the water.
No, it's not moving. You sure it's not moving? Let me look here. Huh? I don't think it's moving. I don't even have a mega glass to see anything on it there.
You see, I'm going to the water side.
Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, it can move.
Yeah, it's moving.
So guess what now? If you
I feel like it's moving.
but they pull it the water side down, drift otherwise it would be drifting more. If it didn't have any water, it would be drifting.
Okay, so you see I'm going this side, you see?
Yeah.
And my husband said that it's hard. You see I'm going, you see? I'm drifting away from you.
Jamaican, this girl was scared.
Look, my husband. Move. I'm not so certain that he can.
Some can't open the island because I don't have no goggles, so I want to see much. Yeah. The water is salty. And the water is not that clear, like.
It's not so clear.
No, it's not so clear, yeah. But if a guy seems a shark down there. So he saw a shark all the way down. He said the shark is friendly.
You're mad. I'm not thinking you that.
Yeah, he said the shark is friendly.
No.
He said, I asked him if the shark speak to him, he said yes. These are see a fish out there, big like her. Yeah. Yeah, these are see a fish big like her. Or bigger than her.
Oh, weird.
Yeah. Yeah.
How far is on from them?
This is why when I get in the water, for example, if I was supposed to run and I'm at neck deep, how fast am I gonna come out of the water? If I'm waist deep, I can come out of the water quick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Today. So why you don't go out there? You're scared?
Yeah, she don't like the grass.
You're scared of the grass?
You man, big man, go there and come. Let's see the thing.
Look here, there's a big fish. There's a big barracuda here too.
Yeah, can you stand there or you just have to what, over the grass here? Oh, is it deep or is it? No, not deep, shallow. Wiggins step, right? Yeah. Over here. Yeah, there's not really like fish or anything. There isn't a step forward.
Why can't you go?
Just walk slow. Yeah.
I can't believe that Dee is scared of some grass. Dee, you're scared of some grass? Like seriously?
I'm scared. Come here right now. I'm scared to
Okay.
Let's walk. Can we walk with you guys? Yeah, come.
Dee thinks that everybody is scared.
It kind of just feels a little grown.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, the grass is very ticklish and it's not okay.
Yes.
Where are my shoes? My shoes are in the car park.
Yes, I gave it to you and you didn't take it with you.
No, you can even step on. Hey, walk my face.
Huh? Holy smoke. So that's great.
Go away with this. But it's something is hiding.
So no, I found something that these are scared of. These are scared of the grass in the water. So the peep, so Dee behave like she's not scared. She's not afraid of anything at all. But I just found out that she's afraid of the grass. Look at the grass in the sea. She's scared of this grass. I can't believe the
Imagine I can't believe
that lion from the village. She's a lion that tear lions, and she's scared of grass. Oh God.
but the grass is very bad. It's very annoying.
The grass is nothing to be scared of. See. So I found two things that Dee is scared of. Dee is afraid of the grass in the water, and she's scared of iguanas. The other day, the lower Usain Bolt record.
Yeah?
Yeah, we went down by the cave, and she was coming out of the van, and she saw iguana, and the lower Usain Bolt record. I know that Kenyan go that long distance. I didn't know that Kenyan sprint. Is the first Kenyan that's sprinting. The first Kenyan queen. She not even Shelly and Fraser couldn't come nowhere near her. When she saw the iguana, I mean, she moves so fast. I mean, Usain Bolt, she made Usain Bolt look like him not trying. Where she move off.
Well, I need to show you that I can swim.
You can swim. It's too shallow, really.
Very.
You cannot even float. Hey, please record me. I'm coming to that side. I'm coming.
So here is a Kenyan sprinter, people. Go Kenyan sprinter. Yes. This girl can sprint, I tell you. So she's showing off now so she can swim. Oh my God.
The grass, but there are small fish there.
Yeah. And this water easy to mess up because with a good step in the grass, then it mess up after. Yeah.
You come in here. You want swim? Down here you can swim here. You can swim here. Okay.
Should I continue?
I'm thinking you. She was already like, no.
Come up from this one side.
Oh, the shit.
So much fun, guys.
No, at the stump, at the stump.
Guys, no. I think a stingray. Guys, a stingray out here.
Imagine being a Jamaican man and too scared.
Too scared?
He says this thing, man.
Yeah.
Brother, come in.
You know that would be fatal?
Run!
Come in here, man.
Yo, come in
Come
now.
in,
You can
bed,
come in now.
yeah.
This is a float, yeah.
Come. Sit.
Ah.
Let's work.
Yeah, man.
Let me hold it for you.
Catch it.
Come
Then
in.
you'll have to pay me, okay?
Cover on your knee.
Down.
Really, you just want. Oh, sorry.
You want to overturn this?
I want to do the jingle.
Come on, this side of your knee. Balance yourself.
I want to push you, girl.
Do you want to turn it over?
All of that. Do you want...
Yeah, I'm not sure of a job. Yeah. Stop, yeah.
There's a car that hold it.
You guys are so lucky. You can get to the father's friend. Thank God for that. Because know what time it is. Stuck?
You see, she's bad. She promised him. She said she's going to take him out of my...
Yeah. I know she want to take me out, man. Yes,
You're
dear.
lucky, thank God.
Yeah.
See the card holder? I'm not afraid of the dark. I'm not afraid. No, I'm not afraid. So you guys see a big fish out there? Somewhere. Oh my God.
Please help me tighten this thing at the front.
Just stand up.
Oh,
You turn it over now, just relax.
Okay.
Middle part.
yeah. So we are out here, Pete. You can't sing.
Oh, they said no
So we are out
mountain.
here.
No mountain or that
Yep.
thing. Do not move anchor.
Yeah.
Anchor, wait, anchor.
We are out here.
Maybe kind of have some people will just move it and run. Hey, let's walk.
This one.
Yeah?
Please help me record for Instagram. Just
She wants to, I think,
ready to record it?
where's the plantain?
The planting our work, guys. They're telling us.
I'm getting sick.
It's the plantain, guys.
Is it recording?
It's the plantain, I'm telling
Yeah,
you.
go on.
For them, so that's it.
Yeah.
It's the plantain, you see? It's the plantain, the plantain. She's going back, guys. She's the fish.
Swimmer.
She's the
Check out the Empress. See her there, guys.
Yeah.
Doing her thing. Empress,
Yeah.
watch it enough. Stand up and make us see where I go on.
I'm showing you.
You're showing off.
Come, Empress.
Don't show off, show all.
Empress doing her thing. Yes, guys. Big swimmer. Don't run for that. See her there? Yes, guys. Run for the swimmer.
Feels so good. But you're too far, Devon. For the fishing.
Come
No, I wasn't so far,
Let
dude.
me do the Lassie, you want to run this race? Let me do a footage for you. Devon afraid for come cross, brother.
No, I'm not scared.
No, he's never scared, Devon. He's
Never scared.
No.
Come here, Devon. Come here.
Okay.
Not to count.
It's not an...
Now it's recording.
Now it's recorded.
You hear it?
Alright, no, do you think?
These sure enough peeps. And I just broke my GoPro selfie stick. So I'm gonna have to order another one. And I love it, but so it goes. Yeah, let me get in. Now you see me, now you don't. Holy smoke. So now it's more difficult to hold my GoPro because I just got a little short piece. It's broken, it's broken, it's broken, it's broken piece. Oh my god.
Wow.
I think I can fix it. I'm gonna fix it until I get one. Yep. Yeah, D and her contagious laugh. So this is a water trampoline here on the beach. Can you imagine that? All this is free, you don't pay for it. You don't pay for this, you just come to the beach and enjoy it. Yeah. So do you think I can swim? Or is I'm sure I can
Oh
swim?
Jesus, just spoil up this shot.
I'm sure I can swim.
Come D.
But she thinks that I can't swim. I don't know why she thinks that.
Even if boys might be there, you don't know how to swim.
Oh no, you're kidding me. Hey, swimming is easy.
Swim and show them, my brother. Swim. Hey, back swim and all. Back, buddy. Back swim. Look, back swim. Yeah? You see that? That's right. Exactly. Then who say you can't swim, brother?
See, I never scared. She say I'm scared. I can't even float. I bet she can't float like that.
You say right?
I bet she can't float. Hey, let me see you float. I can't swim.
Floating what?
Huh? I can even float, I can swim. Float, let me see, you can float? No, you can't float.
If I can swim, what is that?
No, you can't float.
I can float.
Can you
Can
float?
I float with my back?
Yeah. Can you float on your back?
I'm
Yeah.
doing some lesson now.
No, you're not floating. See, she's
No,
scared.
sir.
She's scared of floating. You're not scared, you're not floating.
But my legs are on the top.
No, look. Look, before you're floating, look.
This is a cow and now he's giving me lessons. Okay.
See, that's floating. See? She's scared of floating.
What is that?
Huh?
Me, I cannot be with you.
You're
You on land.
Don't say she can't float. Don't, is that floating?
You know you're the biggest coward and you don't know you're a
That's
coward.
floating.
Go on land.
No, is that floating? That's not floating.
I can even swim with my back.
I can do that too.
Let's go to there and
Where?
where the water is deep. Until here, come.
None of this is deep. This is too shallow for me.
See that guy
Let's go, dude.
talking down him don't want to
That is too shallow for me, deep. That is too shallow for me. This is too shallow. Let's go there, in the grass. You don't want to
Anyway,
play
guys. No, you're holding the camera the opposite. Like
So you see? Listen, peeps, I can even float and Dee can't float. She said she can't swim, but she can't float. She's scared of floating because she don't get her ears in the water. And other people don't like that, the ears in the water. You just have to relax.
But how you do that?
Huh?
How you do that?
You just relax. And
Relax
allow your body.
yourself?
And not allow your body.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. You just do like this. Look. Put the foot up
Okay.
and relax.
Hey. That's
quick.
I want you to move your hand.
Oh, to move my hands like this. Okay, let me now take let's all say be perfect as he's laughing.
And toggle your foot at the same time.
Put it inside. Put it inside. Inside the. Put it inside. Okay. You're inside of there. Inside.
We're doing some swimming lessons.
Yeah.
It's all about
I'm getting some swimming lessons people. Just stick and stay. Yep, today we came and we swim, so we're gonna get ready for the show. Wash off and get ready for the show. Deal of water. The G. Yeah. Oh. So yes, babes. Mermaid. Jessica. No, yeah. Yes, so she's actually. Okay. Yes, babes. So full joy. Sorry for the beach. And no better place to live than in the Caribbean. Yeah, my GoPro stick broke, but I have another one, but not as good as this one. But that's it. I'm gonna get it sorted out. Yeah. So babes, stick and stay and don't go nowhere. If it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all fire. Love what you do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. That is it for now.